All right, it looks like it's the first time we're in Hawaii, and we're gonna try a little bit of swimming. This is gonna be weird. Woo! Oh, it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. Oh. Oh. Oh, Ma. Whoosh. Oh, we're getting deeper. We're getting deeper. Feel that riptide. Feel that riptide. Ah! Oh.
Right that time.
You might want to take those things sideways, Ma. There you go. Oh no! Oh. She's swimming, folks! She's swimming!
It's so annoying. Oh my God. I don't want you to be
Anything there? You don't want to what?
It's over again. Everything on the other side.
Yeah, but if this is as far as you're going, that's fine. That is true, but we have to move forward to do that.
I know. Alright, how I am. I know where you're coming.
All right, here we go.
No.
Oh no, oh no, sideways. Right, that was the time to go. Okay. So this is as far as we're gonna go.
Okay.
You're all good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Okay, that's big one.
You gotta come back. There you go.
My poor knee.
Yeah.
There comes a big one. Not this one. Not this one. Not that one.
Just jump. Jump. There you go, Ma. Ready? Get ready and jump. It's too early.
It's a big one.
And jump. All right. There you go. Well, yeah, where we were before, we were getting smacked. There we go. Don't fall back in the smacking zone. Salty? What? Who guessed it would be salty? There we go. So what's under the water? Let's take a look. Oh. There you go, Ma. You're in the slapping zone. You better get out of the slapping zone. I don't want you to be in the slapping zone, that's all. Okay.
It's a big one. It's a really big one, not this one. Coming.
Stay out of the flapping zone. You don't want to be in that flapping zone. Here comes a nice little one. Get her! Get her! Slapping zone! Yeah. Yep. We're in Hawaii, Ma, and we're swimming on the beach. Right? Okay. We're getting in the slapping zone again. All right, jump.
Ouch!
Oh no. You're in the slapping zone. You're in the slapping zone.
Okay, this is a big one.
Well, he's ready to jump. Settle down a little bit, eh?
It's good. For now, it's going to wipe us out. Don't get too excited. You'll get tearing.
Yep.
I don't know how you drive a 30-boat out here. We just take your car.
That's the whole point.
Oh, no.
Well, these are bigger waves than when we were here last time.
Yeah.
So it would have been nice if it was like this,
Yeah.
like this type of wavy for boogie boarding, or for us. But because it's a little higher and bigger waves like this, boogie boarding would not be a fun thing. Because you would just be pushed all the way back all the time.
Well, I know.
Oh, here comes a big one, Ma.
Oh, yeah, it's a beaut.
I think there's a bigger one after it. Oh, that's a real big one. Oh, that's a real big one. How you feeling?
I'm fine.
That's good. Woo. Oh, saltwater eyes. I got saltwater eyes.
Yeah, me too. It's a big one. It's over. It's over. It's totally back this way.
It's a slapper. That was a slapper. Okay, come over here. Come towards me, Ma. Come towards me so you stay away from the limbs. Oh no! She does. She just, something else has gotten into her head. I think it's a mom thing. Wow, wow. I went under that one. Huh? Stinging the eyes, yeah. Yep. Whoa, that one killed us. That was a good rip. Where are you going? Where are you going?
You tried to make me sick, so it's not going anywhere.
Yeah. This is what I meant by swimming, and not actual swimming.
Fine.
Yeah. She also might be a little concerned with her stuff or things. So she might be just staying there. And when you're done, she might come back up and come out.
Why? You can put it in the car.
Well, she's also waiting for the phone calls and all that stuff.
We might be ready to go.
Oh, what are you doing out of my phone? That's my lenses. My lens caps. They should not have come out of that pocket.
What are we doing?
That's in my zipper pocket. And my zipper pocket should not be open.
Was it open?
Well,
Is there a hole in the bottom of it?
the only way to find out is to get out of the water.
I'm not going to get
Whee! Is that another one of my caps? Nope. All right, let's move over there a little bit. Jellyfish. Yeah. There we go. Oh. I told you to get out of the back zone. So it's Christmas Eve, and we're enjoying a little bit of wave time in Hawaii. Uh-oh. You okay? All right. Oh. in the flop zone. How you feeling? Bye, Mom. Uh-oh, here comes a big one. Well, we're having fun in Hawaii now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't speak because I have salt water in my face. Because this is great Hawaii time at Christmas. See you soon. Keep watching for more. Ah!